Dear children, let us continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is division, right? First, the answer in division is called what? Quotient. Then some rules are also there, right? Do you remember that? And first rule is we divide a number by 1. The quotient is what? The number itself. Example is what? 285 divided by 1. You will get 285 only. And the next rule is if we divide a number by itself, the answer is what? 1. To example, 285 divided by 285, you will get what? 1. Then third rule is if we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is what? 0. 0 divided by 35 equals what? 0. Then dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. Is it clear? Next one. The terms to be remembered in division. What are they? Dividend, divisor, quotient and the remainder, right? And I will give you one example, that is 89 divided by 3. 3 2s are what? 6. 3 3s are 9. So we need to take which number only? 3 2s are 6. Is it? And the remainder is what? 2. Each and every step I need to take one digit down. Next digit is what? That is 9. Then 3 into 8 equals what? 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are what? 27. 3 10s are 30. So I need to take what only? 3 9s are 27. And the remainder is 2. Is it clear? Here dividend is what? 89 and divisor is what? 3 and quotient is what? 29 and the remainder is what? 2. Is it clear? The next one. And you need to check your answer is correct or wrong in the division, right? How can you check your answer? One formula is there. Quotient into divisor plus remainder, you will get what? Dividend. If you are getting it like that, your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. I will give you one example, that is 189 divided by 2. 2 into first digit is what? 1. First digit is 1. 1 is less than 2. So I need to consider 2 digits together. First 2 digits together. That is what? 2 9s are 18. And the subtraction 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. After each and every step I need to take one digit down. That is what? 9. 2 4s are 8. 1. Is it? And the quotient is what only here? 94. And the remainder is what? 1. Is it clear? And I need to check my answer is correct or wrong in the division. How? 94 quotient into divisor. Quotient is what? 94 into divisor is 2 plus remainder 94 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. 188 I got, right? 188 plus 1. What will I get? 189. That is what? That is the dividend. That means what? My answer is correct in the division, right? Is it clear? That is dividend. 189 is what only? That is dividend. Next one. I will give you the bigger number, that is 2629 divided by 9. Is it? Here first digit is what? 2. 2 is less than what only? The divisor. So I need to consider what? 2 digits, first 2 digits together. First 2 digits together, it will become what? 26. 9 into which number equals 26? 9 3s are 27. 9 2s are what only? 18. 9 3s are 27. I can't take 27. You know what's the reason? 27 is greater than 26. So I need to take what only? 9 2s are 18. And the remainder is what? It will become 16 and it will become 1. Then 8 only, subtraction, right? And each and every step I need to take one digit down. It will become what? 82. Again I want to take which multiplication table only? Divisors multiplication table. 9 into 9 equals what? 81. And answer is what? 1. Again one more digit is there, that is 9. And 9 into which number equals 19? 9 2s are 18. 0 1. Here dividend is what? Dividend is 2629 and divisor is what? Divisor is 9. Quotient is what? 292 and remainder is what? 1. I need to check my answer is correct or wrong in the division. Checking quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is what? 292 into divisor 9 plus 1. I will check it here. 292 into 9. 9 2s are 18. 1. 9 9s are 81 plus 1. 82. 8. 9 2s are 18 plus 8. 26. Plus 1. I will get what? 2629. That is what? Dividend. My answer is correct in the division, right? Is it clear? Okay. Then the next one. 45,086. 86. Divided by what? 8. First digit is 4. 4 is less than the divisor. So I need to consider 2 digits together. That is 45. After that I need to take divisors multiplication table up to 45. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. So I need to take just below number only. That is what? 8 5s are 40. And the remainder is what? 5. And next digit down, that is 50. 8 6 are 48. Then it will become 10. It will become 4. 2. And next digit down, that is what? 8. And 8 4s are 32. Then 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are what? 32. Which number I want to take? 8 3s are 24. And remainder is 4. One more digit is there, that is 6. We need to take all the digits down, then only division is complete. Then 8 into which number? 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are what? 48. So I need to take what? 8 5s are 40 and the remainder is 6. Here dividend is what? Dividend equals 45,086. Then divisor is what? 8. Quotient is what? 5,635 and the remainder is what? 6. I need to check my answer is correct or wrong. Checking quotient into divisor plus remainder. Answer that is what? 5635 into 8 plus 6. 35 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28. 2. Then 8 6 are 48 plus 2, 50. That is 8 5s are 40 plus 5, 45. Is it? Plus what really remainder? 6. I got what? 5 4. 45,086. I got the same answer, that is our dividend. That means my answer is correct in the division, right? Is it clear? Yeah. Then the next one. 32,794 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Here which number only we want to take? 32, because 3 is less than the divisor, so we need to consider 32 only. Then 6 5s are 30. Remainder is what? 2. And next digit down, that is 27. Then 6 into which number equals 27? 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. So I need to take 6 4s are 24. Remainder is 3. 9. Then 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. So I need to take what only here? 6 6 are 36 and the remainder is 3. And next digit down. Then 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. So I need to take 6 5s are 30 and the remainder is what? 4. Here dividend is what? Dividend equals 32,794 and divisor is what? Divisor is 6. Quotient is what? 5,465 and the remainder is what? 4. I need to checking. How? Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is what? 5,465 into divisor is what? 6 plus 4. Is it? 5, 4, 6, 5 into 6. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Plus 4 also, it will become 32,794. That is the dividend, right? That means my answer is correct. Okay. Next one. Right. 6,42,798 divided by 5. Here first digit is less than the greater than the that is greater than the divisor, right? So I need to consider first digit only. 5 ones are 5 and the remainder is what? 1. Next digit down, that is 4. 14. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 only. I don't want to take that. 5 2s are 10. Then the remainder is 4. Again I need to take next digit down. It will become 42. 5 into which number? 5 8s are 40. Then next digit down, that is 27. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. So I need to take what only? 5 5s are 25. And the remainder is what? 2. Then the next digit is what? Next digit down, that is what? 9. Then it will become 29. 5 5s are 25. And the remainder is 4. Again one more number is there, 8. And 5 9s are 45. And the remainder is what? 5 9s are 45. Remainder is 0 3. Okay, is it clear? Here dividend is what? Dividend is what only? 6,42,798 and divisor is 5. Quotient is what? 1,28,559 and the remainder is what? 3. And checking quotient into divisor plus remainder, that is 1,28,559 into what? 5 plus 3. Then 128,559 into 5. 9 5s are 45, 4. 5 5s are 25 plus 4, 29, 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27, 2. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42. Then 4. 8 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 1. 5 1s are 5, 6. Okay. After that I need to add that 3 also. That it will become 8, 9, 7, 2, 4, 6. Is it 6,42,798? I got dividend only here. That is correct. My answer is correct. Okay. Then next one. 430,845 divided by 7. 7. Then 4 is less than 7, right? So we need to consider 2 digits together. That is 43. 7 6 are 42. And the remainder is what? 1. And next digit down, that is 10. 7 ones are 7. And the remainder is what? It will become and 3. And next digit down 8. 7 fives are what? 35. 0, 3. Then 4. Then 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. Then 7 fours are 28. Then 6 only, right? Okay. Then after that I need to take next digit down, that is 5. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 0, 2. Okay. And I need to check my answer is checking only. I will write checking. Checking equals quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient, this one is what? Quotient is 6149 into 7. Okay, then it will become what? 4,30,843 plus remainder is what? 2. You will get what? 4,30,843. That is the dividend, right? Dividend. Okay, is it clear? Then homework questions also there, right? You need to do all these homework questions. Then you will study it nicely, right? And one more, I want to tell you one more time, that is you should learn multiplication by, you should by heart multiplication table, right? Okay.